Would you like to know what chia seed microgreens look like? You are in the right place. Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you what chia seed microgreens look like. So I've got here a chia seed jar. I'm sure you know these, so they are famous for the chia pudding. They absorb loads of liquid, and I just wanted to show you what microgreens look like, so you can easily grow them at home. And I will leave it for a couple of more days and then I'm gonna harvest it. You can see it's pointing towards one direction. This is where the sun is, so every day I keep like turning them so they are not facing to one side, but they keep turning. And as you can see, I am growing them on a plate, and basically I've got here just a paper towel, and you can see I can easily peel it off, so when it comes to harvest I can just push it away. And how it started, so I put the paper towel, I spray it, I've got some sort of spray here, and then I just put the chia seed on the stove. You don't soak it because they absorb so much liquid and it would go to waste, so don't soak it. Just spread it across, and I cover it with another plate for 2-3 days. So basically it's like they are in the dark in the soil. And I kept spraying this morning and evening. After sort of 2-3 days you will see when the sprouting process will start. I uncover them and put it close to a windowsill, and I just keep spraying this morning and evening, and it keep growing. So you can enjoy them fresh. Last year I just spread it in my garden and I watched it grow. It was wonderful, but they are quite short, and what I find difficult when it was raining, you've got the salt, you've got the dirt there, and I find it really fiddly to wash it. So now I've got it nice and clean. Whenever I want to harvest, I can harvest it, and I don't need anything else apart from a tea towel, water, and some plates. So I'm sure you can find it in your home as well. So if you fancy something else apart from the great chia pudding, go for this. And I also have some cress here, and it will be ready to harvest. I already had some nibble yesterday. It's really peppery flavor. I just bought some seeds, and what I need, basically I am reusing plastic. So this is from grapes. My boyfriend bought some grapes in the supermarket, and I am reusing this cover. And what I find quite useful, it's cotton pads, because they keep the moisture better. So I've got some paper towel, and on the top I've got some cotton pads, and I just put some seeds and I keep spraying this. And this one is quite useful because it has holes here. So how I use it in my greenhouse, when I plant some seeds, I put it on the top, so for extra warm layer protection. So this is sort of like a insulation for your greenhouse, so don't chuck the plastic away. And this one, it's from cheese, so basically I am using plastic from the cheese. So I don't like plastic, but my boyfriend keeps buying this stuff. So what I am doing, I am trying to reuse it. And all these cotton pads and paper towel, it can go to a compost bin after I harvest this. So you know, you don't need anything extra. You can reuse whatever you've got at home. And another thing, I've got here some vegetable tops. You can see the carrot, it's starting to sprout. So there are some leaves growing. So I am using this as greens in my soup. Obviously it needs to grow a bit, but this one, it's a glass thing, and I think it used to be yogurt from supermarket. So I'm just showing you how you can reuse stuff at home, of course, for growing for your green fingers. And with chia seeds, I got also flax seeds. So I'm gonna grow them as well, and it will be the same principle as for the chia seeds. You don't pre-soak it, you just put it on the paper towel, and you can grow them exactly the same. So this is my next target when I finish growing and eating this one. And let me know in the comments below, what are you growing at home? I wanted to show you something super easy. There shouldn't be any issues with growing these. You just need some water, some air and some light, and yeah, enjoy it. Enjoy the freshness. So enjoy these super nutritious microgreens. I hope you love it, and let me know in the comments below, how do you eat it, where do you put it. I find it quite useful for the cress. It goes well in egg mayo spread. You can put it in salads, you can put it in your sandwich, on the top of your soup. Try to eat it fresh. Don't boil it, because you will lose loads of vitamins. You can put it in your wraps, maybe in some rice salad, in cold versions and stuff like that. So let me know your favorite ways to eat it. I can't wait to hear it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find it useful. Spread some love, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.